Got a service valve that won't stop leaking? Leak Lock is the most versatile thread sealant on the market, perfect for HVAC, plumbing, automotive, and marine industries. To apply Leak Lock, simply coat both mating surfaces thoroughly and allow tack time for up to 20 minutes. Then assemble. Use a little Leak Lock to save a lot of time. Leak Lock is rated for pressures up to 10,000 psi and temperatures ranging from -200 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's highly resistant to oils and chemicals and seals tight enough for gases, including industrial oxygen. Plus, it's non-toxic and safe for potable water. Once you use Leak Lock, you'll insist on it. Trust Leak Lock today. High Side Chemicals saves you time and makes you money.